Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to receive money on the Western Union app. First, open the Western Union app on your phone and sign into your account if needed. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Pick up Cash. Next, ask the sender to share the 10-digit tracking number, also called the MTCN. In the app, tap Track a Transfer and enter the MTCN. This lets you check the status of the transfer and confirm when the money is ready for pickup. If you are collecting cash, you can enter your details and the tracking number in the app to complete the verification process. After that, use the map inside the Western Union app to find the closest Western Union agent location near you. Before you visit the agent location, make sure you have a valid government-issued photo ID with you. The name on your ID should match the details on the transfer. Once the agent verifies your identity and confirms the transfer, you will be able to receive your cash. Thanks for watching.